everyone. Welcome to Miss Lena's Kitchen. I am blessed. I hope everyone is blessed today. All right. Today is a wonderful day the Lord has made. Let us rejoice and be glad in it. Thank you so much. I'm going to read a scripture to you right now. And I'm taking the scripture from, I guess I'm going to take it from Corinthians, 2 Corinthians 5:21. For he made him who he knew no sins to be sin for us, that we might become the righteousness of God in him. For he made him who knew no sin to be sin for us, that we might become righteous of God in him. 2 Corinthians 5:21. This is the reading of the scripture for today. I hope it will help someone today, next week, or whenever you look at the video. I hope it will be a blessing to someone that needs to know that God is there around. Anyway, so thank you so much for listening, for reading from my reading of the verse for today. I'm getting ready now. I'm going to make Dr. Pepper pies, and I'm going to be doubling my ingredients, okay?
Thank you, Linda, for sending us through the recipe. Linda G. Thank you.
Who is it, you?
Linda G.
Okay, thank you, Miss Linda, for the recipe. Okay, so I'm going to be pouring in all of the liquid at one time. And after I pour the liquid in, then I will be putting the Jell-O pudding. So it takes Jell-O pudding. Well, I got them upside down, so I can't really show it to you.
And it's the 3-4 ounces boxes, y'all. The 3-4 ounces of Jell-O pudding.
So I'm gonna be doing two because I'm gonna make two pies. So I'm gonna pour let me pour all the liquid in first, and then I'll pour the powder in. Okay, this is 3/4 cups of Dr. Pepper, and I've got two of them, 3/4 cups of Dr. Pepper. And if you're just gonna make one, you just need one. But I'm doing it like this because I was gonna make one, but I decided to do two. So I'm dividing it up like that. If you want to do it, you can do it the way I'm doing it. Okay. And the next is milk. This is, let me see, 1/2 cup of milk. So I'm doing 2 half cups. And 2 half cups will be 1 cup of milk. 1 cup of milk. Okay. All right. Now I'll be pouring the powder in.
And that's vanilla pudding, y'all. 3/4 ounce box.
I'll pour the whole 3/4 ounce box of vanilla pudding in. Oh my goodness, I knew it was gonna fall in there. Okay. All right. I'll be careful with this one. I wasn't being right coming out. Still a little bit more in this. Take out the whole pack so I can finish it out. Okay. Now I was putting it in, and I used to whisk with it on the mixer for say about 5 minutes, I guess. Sometimes this one may make it get tighten up before 5 minutes. So okay. And this is the whisk for the mixer that I have it on. High speed.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll be putting in now 8 ounces of Cool Whip, 2 of them.
It's just gonna fold it in, y'all. You don't put the Cool Whip in with the mixer. You fold it in.
He's really pouring in. Okay. I'm trying to even out the amount, both of them. This looks like it might be close to.
Yeah, really good. Gonna be delicious. Okay, y'all, they got to go in the refrigerator for 2 hours. And we'll be back. All right, thank y'all.
Okay, this is the final touches of my Dr. Pepper pie. So it's a Dr. Pepper pie, and this is the final presentation of it. And I have it here with this is the one, but now, if you're gonna use it, put it in your freezer for a couple of hours or better. I didn't have time to, I was just trying to make it come out fast so we could finish the video. So sometimes you have to wait a little bit longer for it to freeze. It depends on what kind of refrigerator you have or freezer. So I try to put it in the freezer for a little while. So thank you all so much. But this is a recipe that was sent to by one of my subscribers.
Linda, thank you, Linda G.
Thank you so much, Miss Linda. We appreciate it, and the pie is delicious. It is off the chain. So y'all please try it. If you like Dr. Peppers, and if you don't like Dr. Peppers, still try the pie if you'd like to. Taste the pie for you also. Choke no. Well, it is off the chain. And I'm not joking. It makes you want to slide yourself. It makes you want to rock in your chair. It makes you want to go from side to side. Baby, I tell you this, Dr. Pepper's got the chain going. And you can't hook it to nothing else, no better. I love my Dr. Pepper. So I love the pie too. So, okay, you guys, good night to everyone. I love you all so much. So thank you, because, you know, everyone knows me. Selena is a Dr. Pepper fan, okay? And so that means the pie is delicious because I love Dr. Peppers. So we'll see y'all in the next video. Good night. Goodbye to everyone. Bye-bye now. Without